Each robot manufacturer brings its own software, often optimized for installation purposes and heavily focused on technical aspects. However, a comprehensive overview of the entire process is often lacking. Today, we will demonstrate how you can avoid the software complexity and provide your colleagues with a user-friendly interaction with the robot using WAKU Sense. My name is Jugard+Künstner and I'm a product expert at WAKU Robotics, and together with our customers I develop solutions for the use of AGVs and AMRs in warehouses. Let's go! These highly technical views and the distribution across various software interfaces often lead to communication issues. Additionally, there is a lack of visibility over the entire fleet and its current status. WAKU Sense consolidates the data from all devices into a single software platform. This means that all robots, peripherals, or even manual vehicles are visible on a map and device overview. This holistic perspective is crucial for operating a mobile robot fleet. Moreover, WAKU Sense is accessible on all devices, whether it's a large monitor on the shop floor, a tablet for the robot operator, or even a mobile phone for the shift manager. Robot data is available anytime, anywhere for everyone. This was just one of many features of our software platform WAKU Sense. With this, we enable your company to efficiently utilize AGVs and AMRs. At this point, I would like to thank Daniel Haag from Jugard+Künstner.
You're welcome, Leo. And for further use cases, I warmly welcome you to the Jugard+Künstner Robotics Center in Altdorf near Nürnberg.
Oh, by the way, subscribe to our channel, follow us on LinkedIn, and tune in to our podcast.